Skincare is an essential part of taking care of yourself to make sure you feel and look your best. But with so many products in the market, it can be very tricky to figure out which products you need in your skincare routine. Now, in today's video, I'm going to throw some light on some of the basic products that you need in your skincare routine to help you look beautiful and have a healthy, glowing skin. The first product on our list is cleansers. Now, cleansers are very important in your skincare routine as it helps to keep your skin clean. So you can start by choosing this cleanser that is fit or right for your skin type. For example, if you have an oily skin, look for cleansers that are formulated to reduce oiliness or help to regulate the production of sebum. If you have a dry skin, you want to look for cleansers that are hydrating and will help to hydrate your skin. The next product on our list are moisturizers. Oh my god, moisturizers are so underrated. That's why sometimes when I see people say they use soaps but they don't use moisturizers, and I'm like, okay. Moisturizing your skin after cleansing is very important as it helps to hydrate and protect your skin barrier. Do well to look for moisturizers that are formulated for your skin type. The next product on our list are sunscreens. Sunscreens are very important in your daily skincare routine. It doesn't matter whether you have sensitive skin, whether you have normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, whatever skin type you are or whatever skin color you are, whatever ethnicity you are, you need sunscreens in your daily routine. Sunscreens are a must, so make sure you are looking for sunscreens that are broad spectrum. This will help protect your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun and also prevent premature aging. The next product on our list are eye creams. Oh my god, eye creams are so underrated. The skin around the eyes are very delicate, so it requires special attention. Look for eye creams that contain ingredients that can help with puffiness and dark eye circles. Now, these are not the only products that you need in your skincare routine, but these are the most basic products that you need in your skincare routine to have a healthy skin. If you'd like to see a more detailed skincare routine, then definitely leave a comment in the comment section. I will do well to give you my daytime and my nighttime skincare routine. If this was helpful to you, you're welcome.